The Russian Tsar put him here in the prison.
Okay, and
King.
then he come out.
When the revolution was, Tsar was overthrown. So
The Tsar.
it was, yeah, the Tsar was overthrown. It was World War One. So
Okay.
when the Russians, communists started uprising.
Да, не говорите. Историк.
А он действительно хорошо знает язык.
Молодец он.
Это у него не отнимешь. Он запоминает всю историю. Он дома не знает, где сахар лежит, а вот историю он
Историю знает. Очень красиво.
Тут рядом это новое здание. Просто объедение.
When I've been to Moscow, I have been to Russia 10 years ago. So I see those buildings. Yeah, tall buildings. And when Stalin died, they only completed 7 buildings. They completed the 7 buildings. The 8th building they never made. So that 8th building is in Poland, in Warsaw. I see that also. Yeah. Because that time Russia was in Poland too.
Yes,
Where are you from?
England.
England. Oh, very good.
And you?
You?
Okay.
I am local.
Oh, you come to see this place.
No, I come with my guest.
Ah, okay. See, I get to know the history now.
Yes.
Of how, you know the tower? I tell you.
Yeah.
You heard what he
Yeah.
said? Yeah, he says Stalin was imprisoned
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Как вы сказали, будет хана, да.